We have a great question about competition and how we can be better than competition. So we have a screenshot over here for one of you. Thanks, Chris, for these great questions. I have circled our client and our main competitor. So here we have the client over here and the main competitor. And now, how can we find out how much they are paying for their keywords, the competitor, how much money they pay? We need to employ the strategy to ensure number one position. So let's take a look in this table, which is really important because it shows how you're doing on Google AdWords Search and how the competition is doing. So first of all, I can see that the competition is not the number one competitor you have. There is another one here, Lezik something, that has 73% impression share. That means that if 100 people ask your search term that you want to target, this competitor shows his ads 73%. So he's much bigger than your client or your main competitor or the competitor you think he's really important, but he's not. So this competitor over here has 73% impression share. That's huge. That's nearly 100%. And more, he has average position 1.6. That means that a lot of people are searching for your keywords and they find this competitor right here on top. So then we have another competitor which has 60%. It's near your client, so it's okay, and you have the same position, so you are at the same level with this one. And then we have some smaller competitors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between them there is your target, which has 23%. It's much less, half than your impression share, so you are doing better than him in the impression share. And moreover, you have average position 3 and he has 2. That is a problem. So you want to increase your average position. That is something that we can do it easily. First of all, we are not going to increase our bids. First of all, we're going to check our quality score to ensure that we have 10 out of 10 in these keywords that we are really high interested in.